Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 1, which is the first question of LeetCode, the most popular question, two sum. So first I will explain the question, then the approach, then I will write the code in C++. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to a target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. You will not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So what we have to do? We have given a nums array and we have to find two numbers such that their sum is total to the target. And we can't use the same number twice. For example, if the target is 6, we can't use 3 plus 3 as 3 as 2 times, as the answer will be wrong. But we have to use 2 plus 4. So what we will do is we will use the two for loop. One for loop will be at the first place, and the second will traverse the whole array, and then we will add both the number, and if it's equal to target we will return it, or else we will continue the for loop. So let's start. We can't use this for loop as the in a for loop we start from the first element, as which we don't want, so we use the traditional for loop only. In the second for loop we start from the I plus 1. And for return we have to do the I comma j. So let's write in once, and in the outer also we will do this. Why we are returning a empty array? As in C++ we must return a thing after the for loop, or else the code will not end, it will give us an error. So let's write in once. So in the first loop, the 2 is at the first loop, I is at 2, and the loop will go from 7, 11 and 15. Our target is 9, so it will complete in one loop only, which means 2 plus 7. Let's try for second question, which is 3 to 4. In the first loop, I is at 0, so the number is 3. Though it will go from 2 plus 2 and 4, so 3 plus 2 is 5, not equal to target. 3 plus 4 7, not equal to target. In second loop, I is 1, which is, so the value is 2, and 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, so it is equal to target, so we will return I comma j. Now let's submit it. Okay, all the 3 tests have been passed. Now let's submit the answer. It's not the most optimized method, but it's very simple method, and you can start your LeetCode journey from this question. So what's the time complexity of this question? So it's O(n) square, as 2 for loop are going, and the worst case scenario is O(n) square, and space complexity is O of 1, as we are not having any extra variables and we are only returning the existing variables. So if you like my explanation, give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanation, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.